we are learning mean deviation, dispersion. Matlab, on an average, what is the deviation? What is the deviation from all these three measures we are going to learn? We will start with mean deviation from arithmetic mean. How much is the value on an average? Are the values on an average deviating from the arithmetic mean, which is a central value? So what is the first step when we calculate a mean deviation? Arithmetic mean calculate करना है, ठीक है? तो I will calculate my arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean का मतलब क्या है? Summation x divided by n. So I got my summation x as 269. ठीक है? Are you following, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is x bar? Arithmetic mean is equal to 269 divided by how many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9.
9.
Okay, so I will say equal to it gives me 29.89. Okay, this is my arithmetic mean. So I'm going to compute on an average how much are the values deviating from this. So I will say x minus x bar. X bar यहाँ पे लिखने का ये नहीं है, इसलिए I will write it as am x. ठीक है, arithmetic mean of x. Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Every single value minus arithmetic mean. So I'll say equal to 23 minus 29.89. Now, तो should I make two columns? I will make two columns. ठीक है? Easy for you to understand. X arithmetic mean. ठीक है? So now I will say, what is x value? 23, 34, 56, 78, 12, 19, and then 14. Arithmetic mean is okay. Now this value, I'm going to ignore the sign. So can I add modulus here? Modulus कर दो इसको. Modulus means negative values निकल जाएंगे. ठीक है? Modulus का मतलब है if it is minus 39, it becomes 39. Are you following? If it is minus 15, it will become minus 15. 15. Negative sign हट जाएगा. That is the meaning of modulus. Are you following? When I write modulus sign, only the value is considered, not the sign. So negative sign हटाने के लिए हम modulus लेते हैं. So modulus is two line brackets. So supposing 23 minus, supposing I do this x minus x bar है ना. So it is minus 6.8889. तो वो negative sign हट जाएगा. Modulus बोला तो positive हो जाएगा. Plus 6.8889. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? So that is what is modulus. 89, right? 29.89 is my arithmetic mean. Now I'm going to find out हर एक value का deviation क्या है, right? So when I say deviation, I'm going to say only the deviation I'm considering. So I'm not considering the minus sign. I will see if there is modulus here. ठीक है? I will see if there is a modulus function. step by step I'll tell you. I'm given the x values. I will compute the arithmetic mean. Add all the values divided by the number of observations, right? And after that, I will calculate the deviation. Only the deviation, sign will not be considered. That is why I include modulus. Modulus x minus x bar. Okay? And then here it is 19.82. So 25.6 minus 19.82. 32.3 minus 19.82 and so on. So when I calculate that, I will add all these, summate the entire deviation. When I summated the entire deviation, I divided it by the number of observations. I get the mean deviation from arithmetic mean. Following all of you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
For the same sum, for similar sums, can we do mean deviation from median? I will first compute the median. Okay? So for the first sum, let me compute the median. Take a second. So let me compute the median. For median, what is the first step? If the data is of this kind, first step क्या है आपका? What is your first step for median computation? Order, right? Arrange in ascending or descending order. So which is the lowest number? 4, 12. 12, 14, 15, correct? 18, 19,
23,
34, 56, 17.
78.
So now find out the median, centermost value. 2, 3. 19 is my median. Correct? Median. Even if I go, I have 9. Okay? Equal to 9 plus 1. The whole divided by 2. 10 by 2. Fifth value कौन सा है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth value is my median. Are you following, all of you?
Yes.
Plus 1 by 2. Okay? So now I'm going to do median is a deviation. Okay? So can I do it here itself? Median, or sorry, x median. Okay? X value will be, I'll copy it this way. 12, 14, 15, 18, okay? Now median is going to be, have I got all the 9 values? 7. What is my median? 19. So I will say, same way. Diksha, please mute. ठीक है? So I'm going to say, same procedure I will apply here also.
Modulus.
Yes. I will take
Minus sign will be removed.
correct. पहले मैं copy कर लेती हूँ, then I'll remove the minus sign.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'll write modulus. So I'm going to say summate all the values. यहाँ पे 7, 5, 4, 1. ठीक है? Let me add all these. So I will say mean deviation from median. From median. Modulus x minus by n. ठीक है? Which is equal to 132 by 9. That is 14.67. समझ में आया?
Yes.
All of you? Formula is the same. Mean deviation from median हो या mode हो या जो भी है, आप पहले मीन मीडियन मोड निकाल लो, उसमें से हर वैल्यू का डेविएशन ढूंढो. हर वैल्यू का डेविएशन ढूंढने के बाद you are going to only consider the number, not the sign, and then divide it by the number of observations. Followed?
Question.
Sorry?
Have a repeat for some written.
पहले मीडियन निकालो या मीन निकालो, हर एक x वैल्यू से वो सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. इफ इट इज फ्रॉम मीडियन यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट ईच एंड एवरी x वैल्यू फ्रॉम मीडियन एंड देन कंसिडर ओनली द नंबर. यहाँ पे मैंने साइन नहीं लिया है. कंसिडर ओनली द नंबर एंड देन ऐड ऑल दीज. व्हेन यू ऐड ऑल दीज you will get a summated number. तो वो summated value को divide by the number of observations, which is 132 by 9, okay, which is equal to, ठीक है? Followed all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
नीचे वाले yes, doubt है? Doubt है आपको?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now again I will copy this same sum. We will do this sum also. ठीक है? X is given as 25.6 and let me sort it first. 9.2 and then 13.5, which is the next value. I'll get 18.7. 19.6. And then I have 25.6, 32.3. Okay? So, what is my median here? Which is the median here? How will you calculate median?
And
There are 6 values, correct?
Yes.
And
10 by 2
plus 1 by 2. No. See,
plus
I have sorted the values and written here. So I'm going to consider n plus 1 by 2. So it is going to be third and the fourth value divided by 2. Correct? These two values, and then median is going to be here in between. Are you following? Are you following, all of you?
mean deviation from median.
From median, yeah.
Median आएगा.
Yes. What did I do? Can I repeat the steps? I sorted the values in ascending order. If you sort in ascending or descending order, and then I found out the median, and it happened to be n plus 1 by 2th value. So it is going to be 18.7 plus 19.6 divided by 2, which came to be 19.15. And then I found out the difference between every x and every median and the median. So it came and I ignored the signs. I only considered the numbers because modulus is there. So 9.95, 5.65, 0.45, यहाँ तक minus था. मैंने वो minus को हटा दिया था, तो I got all these as positive values. I summated all the deviation. All the individual deviations were summated. And then I averaged them, divide by number of observations. After summating, 36.1 was the answer, summated answer, divided by the number of observations, which was 6. So I get the mean deviation from median as 6.017. Followed?
Yes.